What if I told you that one hidden habit is quietly draining your energy, killing your confidence, and holding you back from becoming the man you're meant to be? You wake up feeling tired, unmotivated, and stuck in the same cycle. But deep down, you know something has to change. Here's the truth. The secret to unshakable self-control and true masculinity has been hiding in plain sight. And once you understand it, you'll never look at this habit the same way again. Welcome to the Stoic Mind Fortress, where we uncover timeless wisdom to help you break free, reclaim your power, and live with discipline. Let's be brutally honest. You've felt it. That sudden wave of guilt after giving in, the lack of drive the next day, that empty, drained feeling like your inner strength is slipping away. Science explains why. Every time you indulge in this habit, your brain floods with dopamine, the pleasure chemical. Sounds good at first, but here's the trap. The more your brain gets used to this artificial high, the more it craves it. And just like any addiction, the side effects are brutal. You feel weaker, less motivated, and your natural drive to achieve fades. Why? Because your brain is rewarding you without you actually earning anything. You got the reward, but skipped the work. The ancient Stoics knew this danger long before modern science. They warned about chasing empty pleasures and how indulgence leads to slavery, not freedom. And their words still cut deep today. Seneca once wrote, "No man is free who is a slave to his body." And that's exactly what happens when you let this habit control you. Each time you give in, you strengthen weakness instead of strength. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor philosopher, taught that true freedom comes from mastering your desires, not being ruled by them. The more you give in to instant gratification, the more you move away from real fulfillment. History's greatest men, warriors, leaders, inventors, all had one thing in common. They refused to be ruled by urges. Instead, they mastered themselves, and because of that, they built legacies while others stayed trapped. So how do you escape? How do you take back control of your energy and masculinity? The Stoics left us 3 timeless principles that still work today. 1. Self-discipline, the foundation of freedom. Epictetus said, "No man is truly free who is not master of himself." This is where everything begins. Self-discipline isn't about punishment, it's about power. Each time you resist the urge, you strengthen your will. With every small victory, your impulses lose control and you gain it back. 2. Purpose. Replace the habit with meaning. The Stoics believed that without purpose, life becomes empty. And emptiness is exactly what fuels this destructive cycle. When your energy has nowhere to go, you fall back into indulgence. The solution? Replace the habit with something greater, building a business, sharpening a skill, or chasing a meaningful goal. When you're driven by purpose, there's no room for pointless distraction. 3. Transmutation, redirecting your energy. Here's the secret most men overlook. Your sexual energy is your most powerful force. Wasting it weakens you. Redirecting it transforms you. History proves this. Nikola Tesla famously stayed celibate, channeling his energy into invention and innovation. Ancient Stoics, warriors, and philosophers practiced the same principle. When you channel this energy into ambition, creativity, or discipline, it becomes rocket fuel for your goals. Now imagine this. You wake up every morning with clear focus and powerful drive. No guilt, no weakness, just unstoppable energy pushing you forward. Your testosterone rises, your clarity sharpens, your confidence grows stronger every day. You become a man in control, not just of your habits, but of your destiny. This is what the Stoics meant by true freedom. It's not simply avoiding a habit, it's becoming who you were meant to be. So here's the choice. Will you stay trapped in the same cycle, or will you rise above it? Will you keep letting a meaningless habit steal your potential, or will you step into the discipline of a true Stoic? Remember this, no man who changed history was ruled by his urges. The ones who shaped the world first mastered themselves. If you're ready to reclaim your energy, your confidence, and your purpose, subscribe to the Stoic Mind Fortress today. Your journey to self-mastery begins now.